What's up, everybody? Hey, my name is Corey Leman, and I run a couple gyms here in the Chicagoland area. And I'm sure, like you, when COVID hit, my business completely exploded. I didn't know what to do. Honestly, I thought we're just going to shut down for now, file unemployment, let's just lay everybody off. Let's close our doors and just hope for the best that the government pulls through. But thankfully, Michelle and James reached out to me with their revenue rescue kit. I'm telling you guys, this is an awesome resource. We have not only retained a lot of our staff, but we've been able to retain a lot of our clients. We've been able to get revenue coming back in. Michelle and James walk you through step by step how to create multiple streams of revenue, ideas that I didn't even think about. And they walk you through, how do you get online? How do you provide service to your clients? What's important to them? What's the platforms that you need to think about? What's the liability that you need to think about? How do you offer a great product? What's ways that you can get stuff out to your clients? Not only that, but they show you with their website step by step how to do it. It's easy, laid out modules that will literally guide you through the process of getting you up and running, getting your doors virtually open again, and getting you back in business. Listen, we all need help in this time, so I can't encourage you enough. Reach out, get the help. The Revenue Rescue Kit will help transform and sustain your business in this time, allow you to continue to make money and do the things that you love. So what are you waiting for? Grab the Revenue Rescue Kit and start making money today.